All right, you guys settle down. It says, how can you solve a linear system by subtracting? Which is more efficient, adding or subtracting? Explain your reasoning. I like to add opposites. Adding opposites. And we should probably preface that sometimes you have to multiply, so put sometimes you multiply. It's not the best you, I suppose. So adding opposites seems easier. And I'm just going to leave it at that. For some kids, I think what happens when you subtract stuff, they forget to subtract the negative. So I just multiply by a negative number and then I add them up. Can this linear system be solved by adding or subtracting without multiplying? Not really. We need to, it doesn't eliminate, so just say, won't eliminate a variable.
Today Friday?
No, today's Thursday. So we can't eliminate a variable that way. And then it says, what would you need to multiply the second equation by to eliminate x for adding? So let me just kind of copy and paste that. Let me zoom in here. I'll copy and paste this equation thing real quick. So what they want us to do, guys, we're almost done. I know it's getting close to being the end of school, but please be quiet. We're trying to finish this. So what they're saying is, on this equation here, what would you need to do to eliminate x? Who spelled eliminate? Eliminate. You're right, I did. I totally skipped the min. No, Mr. Adams' brain goes way faster than his hands. I skip stuff all the time. So what I need to do is I would multiply. So write it down like this. Multiply. That's not a very good multiplication symbol. I'd have to multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by -2. And do you guys see why I would do that? What happens? When I would do that, I'd get a positive 6y for the first one and a negative 6x, not y, but 6x for the second one. So I'd have to multiply twice if I eliminate the x. So because of the way the thing is set up, I'd have to multiply twice to get rid of the x. So it's easier to do y. Let me see if I can spell the whole word this time. Eliminate x. All right, the bell's going to ring in a second. Put your stuff away. Do not line up at the door. Go back to your seats, please.